Hi, I'm incredibly thankful to Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd for the experience and support and guidance they provided throughout my job search journey. The personalized approach they offered made me a huge difference in helping me feel confident and well prepared for the interviews. They offered valuable insight and constructive feedback, which significantly improves my performance during the interview stages. Their productivity, communication, and consistent follow ups kept me informed at every step, making the entire process feel smooth and transparent. I got selected to Orange Business Private Limited with the package of 2,60,000. Moreover, their extensive network and expertise in the industry meant that I was introduced to the top tier companies, roles, and agiled perfectly with my skills and interest. Thanks to Evision Technoserve Private Limited, I am now in a role that I truly enjoy with the opportunities for growth and development. I feel excited about my future career perspectives and grateful for their dedication towards my success. Thank you, Evision.